Hi everybody and welcome back to KGC Engineering. Now I know it's been about 6 months or so since my last video, and I thought I'd give you a fairly quick little update of where things are. Now obviously I've left the old workshop, and that's the move has taken up a lot of my time over the last few months, getting things sorted out, getting storage containers arranged, and actually being able to then get on with some of the jobs that that I need to get on with and get finished. I mean, essentially the business has closed. We're not taking on any more customers or clients. I'm literally just getting the jobs done that I need to get finished for my customers already, and then that'll be it. The business will close. What will happen to this YouTube channel after that, I don't know. I've not decided yet. That's going to be a good while in the future. So this is actually the Mini. You may remember we did in the Mini project. So let's have a look and see where we're up to with this. Right, so this, like I said, is our Mini project, and the main bit of work I've been doing the last couple of weeks or so has been starting to replace the boot floor. It's actually been a bit more complicated than I originally thought, because it actually goes right through and forms the base of the rear seat. So I've had to take it out, the old rotten floor, because there's just nothing left here and in various places. It was beyond sort of patching repair, so it was easier to get a new panel and put that in. In fact, there's going to be a lot of new panels going in this. So I had to cut it into sections to get it out, so that took quite a while, and obviously then there's all the cleaning back and everything to the other panels which are in place, and then obviously getting it in position. Now with the Mini panels, they are generally pretty good, and the boot floor's been no exception. We've actually got the battery box already fitted in this one as well, so that's saved me a bit more effort in that area. But now we're getting to the point where it's more or less welded in. There's a few bits still to do, particularly on the seat area of it and a few other tidying up bits around there, and obviously you need to grind the welds back. But the next part of the project is going to be putting the rear valance on before I finish off some of the other bits. So we've got the closing panels here ready to go on. We've got the left and right, and they go on. Get it the right way around. Is it that way? I don't think that's that one. Oh yeah. That will go on there like so, and then the rear valance will come in there. So obviously I need to mark it out, prep and sort that for welding in place, and obviously making sure that the holes all align up for the rear subframe. So before we go any further with this, I'll be remounting the rear subframe, putting those in, just bolt through the 2 bolt holes, stay on the other side, so I know that it's all in the right place, because that's a very important thing, because the last thing I want to happen is to do all the welding on it, and when we come to put it back together and actually drive the Mini, it to start crabbing down the road. So I've got to make sure that I can get it as near as damn it absolutely square and true. So that's going to be that. So like I say, I've got all that to do. I've got the rear valance as well, so that's going to get bolted up in place on there, and then obviously it'll be welded on the edge and obviously to those bracket pieces there as well. Now I've got a little bit of work to do on the wheel arches as well, and also the little closing panels which are at the front of the wheel arches before the main floor section. And speaking of the floor section, it is rotten beyond sort of economical repair, so I've actually got already in the workspace at the back a brand new complete floor, both sides already all welded up, so at the appropriate time this will be taken out, probably in various chunks, and the new one will go in, and obviously there'll be lots of markers and things in place to make sure again that the floor goes in square and true to the rest of the car and that nothing bends and twists. So it's big, it's a big job that needs to be done, and that's pretty much where we're at the moment. So there we go, that's, you know, very quick little update for you guys. And obviously this is going to be the kind of update I'm going to be doing with the mini project from now, because I'm very limited on space, so to getting the camera in to do certain jobs is going to be a bit tricky. Where I can do, I will sort of do a, you know, this is how you do it video. Other than that, it's just going to be some little update videos similar to this, as and when I can do them with, you know, there's enough to sort of mention about it. So yes, so thank you for hanging on and still subscribing. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but it's been a very difficult few months for me, and hopefully things are going to start settling down a bit and I'll be able to move forward now and in a much more positive way, and essentially, you know, get the jobs done and then decide what I want to do in the future. So if you haven't already, please do make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, because that really does help me out quite a bit. And until next time, happy classic motoring.